Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, I will go through the rules of exponents. Okay, so let's look at rule number 1. Okay, if the base are the same, you can actually combine the base by adding the power. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, as you can see in question A, the base are the same for both terms. Okay, so it's 3 and 3. So basically that's the base. And for the power, you simply add the power. Okay, and you can do the same thing in B. Okay, in B, the base is 5 and you will add the power negative x plus x. And if you go and simplify further, this is actually 5 power 0. And anything power 0 is always 1. Okay, and then in C, the base is 2 over 5 over to the power of 3p plus r, and you cannot simplify further. Okay, you can just end it here. Okay, now let's look at rule number 2. Okay, as you can see, if you compare between rule number 1 and rule number 2, in rule number 1, the operation is multiplication. Okay, I mean a power x multiply a power y. Okay, when it's multiplication, you will add the power. And then as you can see in rule 2, when the operation is division, when you are going to combine the base, you will subtract the power. Okay, the one below will be negative y. Okay, in this case it's y, so x minus y. Okay, let's go through this one by one. Okay, the base are the same for numerator and denominator, so 7. And how do you combine the power? 3x minus 5. Okay, and let's do for B. The base is 3. Okay, and then write the power for numerator first. 2x plus 2 minus. Okay, when it's minus, you must be careful. I mean, you must write the next power in bracket, because as you can see, it's x minus 1. Okay, and if you simplify further, you will get 3 power 2x plus 2, and then to open the bracket, minus x plus 1, because minus x plus 1, because negative and negative 1 will become positive. And let's do one more step. 2x minus x is x. 2 plus 1 plus 3. And lastly, the base is 3, k squared minus 9, and you cannot simplify any further. Okay, now let's move on to rule number 3. This rule is saying about whenever you have ax raised to another power. Okay, this is the same as you have another power outside the bracket. This is the same as you will multiply the power. Okay, you will simply multiply the power. So this is 5 3x times 3, and that's the same as 5 power 9x. Okay, and for this one 2x plus 3 times x, and this is the same as 2 power 2x squared plus 3x. Okay, and then in rule number 4, whenever you have AB, okay, you can see you have two scalar values here, A and B, raised to x power, then it will be, for each scalar you will raise to that power. So AB power x is the same as A power x times B power x. Alright, so this is the same as 4 power negative t, 5 power negative t. Okay, and for B, 7 x power y, because we are following rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3. So 7 raised to x power x, and then multiply y, and then for 3 power y. Okay, let's move on to the next rule.